Installing the Nightwing Kodi add-on is a breeze. First, head to the system settings by clicking the gear icon at the top left. From there, navigate to File Manager and click on Add Source. When prompted, type in the URL https://magnetic website/repo and name it magnetic. Double-check everything, then return to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click the add-on package installer icon. Choose Install from zip file and select Magnetic. Click on Repository, Magnetic 1.1.0b, zip and wait for the installation notification. Now, go back to Install from Repository, select Magnetic Repo, and dive into Video Add-ons. Click on Nightwing and hit Install. For those looking to enhance their experience, setting up Real Debris is a smart move. Just open Nightwing, scroll to Tools, and select Resolve URL, Settings. Re-authenticate Real Debris. Enter the PIN at real-debris.com/device, and you're all set. Enjoy seamless streaming with Nightwing.